WG Security Products presents the Sentinel System. Advanced, effective, affordable. Unlike EAS systems, this unique smart technology is designed to guard and contain merchandise within a specified area without the use of cables or lockup. The Sentinel can stand alone or with your existing EAS system. You can now utilize the latest technology to secure your high-end merchandise without compromising your customer shopping experience. It's better for your customers. It's better for your business. And here's how it works. The Sentinel system consists of 4 main components. The master and auxiliary readers strategically mounted to establish your surveillance area. The Sentinel tag, discreetly attached to the merchandise. The remote control to tune the master reader as well as remotely silence the tag. And finally, the tag activator housed at your wrap stand. Now, let's secure your merchandise by setting up your Sentinel surveillance area. The master and 2 auxiliary readers are mounted to provide discreet protection in any designated area to guard your inventory. Additionally, to accommodate floor moves, the master reader's signal field can be modified by using the remote control. The readers are tuned to radiate specific areas searching for the Sentinel tag presence. Each Sentinel tag listens to the master reader's signal and, depending on the command, will either remain silent or alarm. If no signal is received, the tag will self-alarm. Also, the tags are designed with a tamper-proof housing to alarm when the tag has been compromised. Activating a tag is easy. Simply press the switch on Tag Activator to activate. Place the tag on the top surface of the activator. The tag will beep once in response to its activation. Now the LED on tag will flash regularly, indicating its arm status. When the tag is removed from the surveillance area, it will no longer receive communication from the Sentinel readers and will sound an alarm. The Sentinel tag will also activate your store's EAS system. It is important to note that if Sentinel tagged merchandise is removed from the surveillance area, then returned, the tag will stop alarming. This smart technology prevents customers from stealing, yet minimizes a potentially awkward moment for your honest customers. It's better for your customers and it's better for your business. When your customer is ready to buy, the Sentinel tag is disarmed and removed at the point of purchase. You've seen the Sentinel system in action. Now remember these important points. The Sentinel system is compatible with the existing EAS system presently in your store. The tag is in constant communication with the reader. Tampering with the tag will activate the alarm. If tagged and armed merchandise leaves the surveillance area, the tag will also alarm. But if it is returned to the surveillance area, the tag will stop alarming. Best of all, the Sentinel system is advanced, effective, and affordable for protecting merchandise requiring maximum protection. To learn more about how you can now utilize the Sentinel system technology to secure your high-end merchandise, contact WG Security Products. Remember, the Sentinel system is advanced, effective, and affordable. It's better for your customers. It's better for your business.